Today, we are going to make a soothing aloe vera gel at home with just only 5 ingredients. Hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. To make a gel, you need only 3 ingredients. First, or distilled water, a solvent, a thickener, a gelling agent, and preservative. Here I am going to share how to make a basic gel. First, to make a basic gel, you need some kind of thickener here to make a gel. So we are using xanthan gum with a little bit of glycerine to make a slurry. So the xanthan gum gives you the texture. I always get a question why we need to make a gel using aloe vera powder instead of using aloe vera plant directly. The fresh aloe vera gel is highly unstable and it quickly oxidizes and turns into brown color. The fresh aloe vera gel can be used directly, but you can't use in the gel format because it has unwanted materials. You wanted to wash it down properly or else it will end up in the contamination. While using fresh aloe vera, the result won't be stable, it will be different, so we won't use fresh aloe vera gel. Instead of that, we will use aloe vera powder, extract, aloe water to make this gel. So we have prepared xanthan gum and glycerin slurry, and we have added aloe vera powder 200x here with little bit of distilled water, and I am mixing it well. After mixing it well, I wanted to add Liquid Germall Plus preservative to this formulation to preserve the formulation from contamination. This is how a basic gel is made. You should mix the xanthan gum slurry well or else it will end up in clumping. Next day you can see the gel is formed. And this is how the consistency looks like. I want my gel not too thick, so it was in runny structure. But if you wanted to increase the thickness of the gel, you can increase the percentage of xanthan gum and you will get a thick gel. Here I am using xanthan gum clear to make this gel, so the gel is clear in texture. If you are using any other grade of xanthan gum, that could lead yellowish or it won't be that much clear. So always check while buying xanthan gum whether it is clear or transparent grade xanthan gum. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to comment down. Thank you. Happy formulating. Full formulation is in the caption. Check it out.